Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels and to the second episode of the review of the DIY do-it-yourself 350mm 2-channel airplane from Banggood. I have been waiting for this day. It is really cold, 24 degrees Fahrenheit, but there is no wind. My app is showing 1 mile per hour. It's perfect time for testing this little indoor-outdoor flyer. And I'm right now using the stock battery that came with it. As I mentioned in the previous episode, this is feeling really tail heavy. So I'm not sure if it is going to fly well or it's just going to keep purposing. Just in case, I brought 2 more batteries, another one 300 milliamp hour and another 550 milliamp hour. So if this is too light, I may try to push that into that slot, one of those. And I also have a dime and a penny and a tape. So let's see how it flies and then we'll take it from there. I'm going to take off this way. Let's see if everything is working. Alright. I don't know why. You can see that I'm giving throttle and it's not turning. Huh. This is... Okay. So I think we need to wait until this little guy is gone because it's going to try to probably catch my... So we are having an issue. I may have to rebind, so I'm just going to turn it off again. Here, everything. I don't know why it's doing this. So turn both off. Turn this on. Turn this one on. Hold it all far. Up, down. All right. I'm not sure what. Okay, it's flying now. Oh, let's do it. Yeah, it is. As you can see, it's extremely tail heavy. And I'm having trouble turning it around even. It's not coming back, it's not turning away, it just keeps going. Okay, turn now. It's a full throttle, but now this is if you buy this, make sure, and it keeps cutting off. So I have full throttle and it's cut off. So I don't know what the issue seems to be because it completely cut off. And now it's working, but it completely cut off. I'm not sure if it is something related to the battery, maybe the cold, but the battery has been freshly charged. So what I'm going to try now is turn it off, pull this battery out, and then put the larger battery, and see if it is going to help with the center of gravity, as well as with this cutting in and out thing. So, okay, here, this one is from an XK-A100 J11 fighter. This is 300 milliamp hour battery. It's probably going to stick out a little bit, but it's definitely going to give... it's actually loose, because not as thick as that one. So let me put this one on, and then I will tape it in. First, check while it's sitting there if it has better center of gravity. Still a little tail heavy, as you can tell, but less so. So I'm just going to use the tape that I brought, just a piece of it, and then tape this in place. Whoa! Okay, oh! I was not expecting that. Alright, no, not this one. Alright, now the tape is stuck on my hand, of course. Alright, I think there's a leash rule, but not everybody is following that. Okay, take number 2. Okay, I just put the battery in the front. Let's turn on the transmitter. Turn this one on while holding it. Up, down, throttle. Okay, so let's try it again. I'm going to stick these in my pocket for now. let's see if that's going to help with the center of gravity and it's going to have better luck. Still climbing a little too quickly, but the CG is much better, as you can, but the turns are not that good though. It's like, oh. Whoa. The stability is just like on, almost on off switch. Okay. It feels like it needs more weight in the front. So my next step is going to be get my dime out from my pocket, if I can reach in. So I have a penny, I have a dime. I'm going to start with the dime and just put it in this area where I put the tape here. I may have to put a little bit more tape. Let's see if the center of gravity is a little better. It still feels a little tail heavy, to tell you the truth, because usually the center of gravity should be 1/3 of the chord length from the front edge. So it should be just before the spar. Sometimes it's in the spar, but so if I hold it at the spar, it is well balanced. If it is a little forward, then it's also tail heavy. They did not specify what the center of gravity is anywhere. I couldn't find it online, nor did it give any instructions. So it came just in a couple boxes. It's not even single box. So let's see if this is going to help. This kind of looks funny, but hey. One more try. I'm going left and it's turning right. I'm not sure. Alright, come back. It cut off. Okay, it's turning. It's very abrupt. You can see that it is like almost on-off switch. I don't think this is proportional. And as I mentioned, there's very little wind. It is overreacting, and it's tending to turn to the right. So I'm going to make a right turn. Oh, too late. All right, well, I think I'm not going to force it and just say, although it is very inexpensive, the cheapest plane so far I have ever found complete, I do not recommend it. It is just, oh, that's very nice of. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. I have a lot of helpers today, including my wife, who is at the camera, my lovely wife. And yeah, I mean, I had high hopes for this. I thought maybe this will be a great plane to start someone flying, you know, just simple. And if it flew like the baby, if it flew like the C-17, those two-channel airplanes, which are very, by the way, only a few dollars more than this one, I would have said, hell yeah, this is great airplane. With this additional weight, still not flying, it's just not a good design. I mean, I would have taken the wing like maybe half an inch back to balance it, and somehow the reaction of the stabilization system is crazy. It's just like right, left, and there's no wind. It's like absolutely no wind today. So unfortunately, I cannot recommend it. And hey, if you want to buy it and try it, I don't know, tinker with it, maybe you can improve it. I don't have the patience. You know, I did what I can, increasing the battery size, the weight, and adding additional weight. Nothing helped. I mean, you have seen just going crazy. So it's unfortunate. I had high hopes, but it looks cute. It is not even a toy. Toys usually work well out of the box. So this took a little bit of time to put it together, and it's not flying well. So go for the baby, go for C-17. Those are great two-channel airplanes. even those like micro jets I've been testing, the Flybear, the yellow one, I put the links in the description below. So just get one of those if you want to start. Those are only a couple dollars more expensive. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and healthy. I'll see you on next episode. Bye bye.